Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get this in no time. But to find out what it is and show you guys what it do. Here we go. Alright. This is, whoa, electric wine opener set. Alright. Vacuum wine stopper, wine pourer, foil cutter inside. It opens up to 40 bottles when fully charged. Dang. Two models, stainless steel and ABS material are available. Indicator, up button, down button, stainless steel, ABS, blue light. Alright, let's take a look inside. So this would be a nice little gift for somebody, especially going away to college for the first time. Keep this in your dorm or your apartment, either or. Nice little housewarming gift. Here we go. This comes from Quntis, I do believe. Ooh, look at this. Alright, there's that. You guys can see the name. Too much light. There's that. And we got the manual. We don't need that right now. Cutter. Ooh, sharp. Be careful. Got the blades at the bottom, so be careful when you pull that out. I'm not sure what this is. We're about to figure this thing out. And got the USB charge right here. Charge it up. Empty box. I don't have any more. No, I don't. Don't have any wine bottles to open, I don't think. Let me check. Hold on. Nope, I do not have any wine bottles tried, but we'll figure this thing out. Oh, I think this is like a pour. Just stick it. I'm not sure though. Whoa. I made some kind of noise. Doesn't go this way. Goes in this way for sure. Ah, see? That's pretty trippy. Got the blue light. Alright. That one works. Now what does this one do? Put the light back on, you guys. There we go. Oh, where did it go? Got some dial numbers on it. Like 10 seconds, 30. Let's see. One sec. Oh, this is cut to cut the foil off the bottle. That's what it's called, the foil cutter. And yep, I was right about this. This is to pour the wine. So when you plug it like there, and you just pour it out. That's why the blue light flashes, so you can see where you're pouring. And this is a wine opener, release button, pull button. So when you get the bottle, you just stick it. Oh, see it move? Oh, that's sweet. Dang, I wish I had wine. I don't drink anymore, but I haven't had a drink in about a year now, so well, this is really cool. Look at that. And maybe can reseal it and pull it out. Dang. This is definitely a little handy dandy thing. This is wine stopper. Okay, see? This little thing, so you pop it back on the bottle of the wine. Boom, and we already saw the USB, so that's really cool. So that's to dig. Dang. That's a little nifty. Alright, YouTubers, like I said, this would be a great Christmas gifts idea, stocking stuffer, since now the holidays are just around the corner, because we got football season now, college season. It is school time, so this would be really cool to get somebody. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good day, see ya.